Nobody in Nevada goes looking for this document on a good day. They go looking for it about 10 minutes after something has gone wrong. Today, it is the Nevada month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement is the one people most often end up in by accident, when a fixed term simply runs out and everybody carries on. Writing it down is your chance to decide the rent, the deposit, the utilities, and the notice period on purpose, instead of inheriting whatever the default happens to be. Without it, a tenancy nobody documented is governed entirely by rules neither side has read. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Nevada law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Nevada, and the page walks you through the Nevada rules that apply to it. You type your details straight into the browser, and it builds the finished PDF for you, laid out properly and ready to sign. Free, nothing to install. If you want the rest of these as they go up, subscribe and give this one a like. The form is at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com whenever you need it.